We're building the vault system for this specific setup. Second O-ring going into the outer portion of the hub. For these 4,200 pound hub and rotors, it is the same bearing as the inner and the outers. Pack it with Dexter Vault hybrid grease. Second one packed, greases through the legs. You want to use UFP seals, 168 inners, a little bit of red RTV. Red RTV on the seal. Spread that all the way around. A little bit goes a long way on this stuff, so don't put too much on. Spread that around, evenly coated. One is coated, second seal is coated. Take your seal pounder, install seals. It is flush. It is flush. Clean off excess RTV. The stuff gets everywhere, so be aware of that. Gets everywhere quickly. One is clean. Second one is clean. Should look like this. RTV around the outside of the seal. Inner bearing is packed, and because these are 4.2K rotors, it has the same bearing on the outside, which is, again, a 68149. Confirm you have hybrid grease through their legs. Confirm yes, plop yes. Those are ready to be installed on the trailer spindles. We've got our Dexter Vault caps. We've got our grease gun with Vault grease inside. Vault caps are pre-filled up to the line just underneath that clip. Those are ready to go. Hub and rotors are ready. I need to get the trailer finished up with springs and install the axle, and then we'll start assembling the whole brake assemblies. All right, we installed a grease zerk on the front here. Hub and rotor assembly is going onto the spindle. Large D-washer, because it is a 4,200 pound. Spin while tightening. Driver's side 50. Back off. Finger tight, cage over the top, cotter pin. Bend cotter pin one way, bend it the other way. Take your grease gun with Vault hybrid grease. Spin while filling the hub, and then run out of grease midway through it. And return with new grease inside the grease gun. Grease is filled up in the hub, coming around the outer bearing. Take grease zerk off the end of the spindle. Put thread locker on the vault cap. Confirm vault cap has grease just to the bottom little clip. Driver's side cotter pin is verified. Confirm you have positive pressure on the vault cap. This should protrude just a little bit, which it is. Driver's side's installed. Made it to the other side. Install your grease zerk. 5/16 wrench will put these on. Slide your hub and rotor assembly on. D-washer. Spindle nut. Tighten spindle nut. Spin while tightening. Passenger side 50. Back off spindle nut. Finger tight. Cage over the top. Cotter pin. Bend cotter pin opposite ways. Bent. Fill hub with hybrid grease. Spin while filling. Confirm grease is through the outer bearing and around the outer washer. Take grease zerk off. Thread locker on. Cap. Passenger side cotter pin is verified. Cap is pre-filled with hybrid grease up to the line. Vault cap is slightly protruding. There is positive pressure in the system. Axle is installed with the vault system on it.